Principle of plane table भनेको parallelism. Plane table survey is more suitable for preparing small scale, particularly advantage magnetic, less costly than all of the above. Instrument used for centering of the plane भनेको plumbing fork. Fluidical edge is the working edge of Adelaide. In plane table instrument for the horizontal and vertical measurement without chaining. Instrument for the horizontal र vertical measurement chaining. चेनिङ विनयजी कसरी गर्ने कहाँ चाहिँ छ त मिठो छ पाके plane table instrument the horizontal vertical measurement without chaining भनेको टेलिस्कोपिक अलिडेडले प्लेन टेबलमा चाहिँ होरिजेन्टल र भर्टिकल मेजरमेन्ट विदाउट चेनिङ कसले गर्छ भन्दाखेरि टेलिस्कोपिक अलिडेडले गर्ने गर्छ द एक्सटेन्ट अफ द फिक्स अफ द प्लेन टेबल इज accuracy of the location position instrument station that taking observation of 3 stations. Plane table survey is a graphical method of survey in which field work and plotting are done simultaneously. Type of the survey in field work and plotting process simultaneously. Plane table. 3-point problem is concerned with plane table. Working edge of the edge right is called fluidical edge. The orientation of the plane table भनेको magnetic needle पनि back side ले पनि. Setting of the plane table consists of leveling and centering. Placing the plane table over the station such as station plotted the sheet exactly above the corresponding station of the ground भनेको centering. The method of plane table generally adapted to obtain the detail and the plotting necessary point भनेको radiation. The method of plane table generally adapted for the detail of the plotting of inaccessible point भनेको intersection है. 2-point problem and 3-point problem method of orientation and resection. The method of plane table generally adapted to obtain the detail of the plotting of inaccessible intersection. To orientate the plane table to inaccessible point, the method generally attain intersection. The method of leveling in which plane table is set only one station to take the detail is known as radiation. The method more suitable for plotting hilly areaको लागि पनि resection intersection रहेछ. Two inaccessible point भनेको 2-point problem भयो. Suitable for the hilly areaको लागि intersection भयो. Actually which of the method is the plane tabling भनेको traversing चाहिँ होइन सरी resection चाहिँ होइन. Plane table is considered a good as compared to the chance of missing data is less. Disadvantage may have become can be used in wet climate determined natural weather and orientation or operation of the keeping plane or successive station is known as parallel. In intersection method, plane table, the number of stations needed to be set up are resection is the method employed for plotting the detailed survey Location of the instrument instructor. Locating as the instrument. Locating instrument in station criteria. The size of the plane table. So say into size of the charts. The fix of the plane table is good when the station within the grid circle. The poor fix of the table is when the station is near the grid circle. Poor fix भनेको चाहिँ station is near the grid circle. Which is not the matter of plane tabling भनेको चाहिँ resection चाहिँ हैन है. In the intersection method, plane table number of the station needed to be set up are resection method is employed for locating instrument station. Intersection is preferred to the radiation when the points are inaccessible. The fix of the plane table is good when the station within the rectangle, the middle station is far from the two other stations. The angle substance between two stations is not very small. All of the above. 3-point problem can be solved by tracing paper हो कि graphical method हो कि trial and error. All of the above. A poor fixed table भनेको the station is near the grid circle. Or the station is within the near the grid circle. The station is within the grid circle भने poor fix हुन्छ. Good fix भनेको चाहिँ within the triangle, grid triangle भने चाहिँ good fix हुन्छ. The station is within the good. Poor fix भनेको the station is near the grid circle भयो भने. 2-point problem is as compared to 3-point problem भनेको चाहिँ more laborious हुन्छ. यसलाई हामी भन्छौँ के प्लेन टेबलिङ.